Once you've enabled customization, you can now customize optional features in your HDS EDC flashlight. First thing you want to do is turn your light on so it stays on. Then you're going to do a quad press hold release. Let me show you what that is. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4 we're holding. Okay. Now the light is in the options menu. Each time we click, it's going to go to another feature in the options menu. If we double click, it's going to reverse the series that we go through. This is how you get into the options menu.